carburetor. So I'm using a blaster carburetor, and the problem is it doesn't have an air fuel jet. It's an old 89 carb off an 89 blaster, so it's made to take so much gas in, or you can't adjust it. So right now my problem is I'm lean in the top end and too rich in the bottom. So I'm gonna too rich in the bottom. So I'm gonna get rid of my intake. I'm just gonna have a massive pipe that's gonna come out doing 90, and then the carb's just gonna mount right here. And then I'm gonna have an intake that is gonna bend another right, and it'll be rammer instead of reverse air.
Killer.
Like the whole stock package too. Like look at that.
Removing the Allen bolts are time consuming.
I'm just over at my weld table and I'm trying to come up with a plate now. So I got 2.5 outside, 1/8 inside washer. I just had laying around. That's pretty thick. That's my base. So all I'm doing is I'm gonna center my holes first and mark it here, and then drill those holes, get my pipe on, figure out if I can go as big as what I got there, and I might just use that piece of pipe right there. If not, then I'll have smaller holes. Anything's better than what I got there, even if it's just that size. But anyway. There you go, maybe this one will work. There we go. Beauty. That's more like it. And we'll check it. Okay. Now, drill it.
Drilling small pilot holes first. Job, hee hee.
So here's my washer, my spacer, or I put my reed on there just to check it. And if you turn it around, I'm shallow on the bottom. So what I do is I mark where I'm gonna open it up a bit, and I make sure that it's showing the entire square basically. Alright guys, so I'm just grinding a tiny little bit off the bottom because it doesn't quite sit flat. It's not quite getting in the holes. I'm just doing a test fit with my washer first. It's not quite there. Drill all my bolt holes bigger, but yeah, that's enough. So depending on the size of your pipe, you gotta make sure your screws will go in and out, and then you can access them all like once you have the intake made. So don't forget about that either, guys. Love it. And now I'm gonna utilize the whole thing with this pipe. So yeah. Alright guys, so I know it's not pretty and I had to use, which sucks, a piece of galvanized, but it is the perfect size to go over my carb on my blaster carb.
Alright, so there you guys go. There is what I had on it. Tiny and horrible. And what I'm putting on now, which is gigantic and nice and clean. I'm gonna polish it up too, so it's all shiny. Yeah. Man, you get the point. It'll be nice and shiny.
So it took some doing, but yeah, there's my washer intake. So the carb just slides on, and then I just tape it. Give it a good tape all the way around. The hard part was doing it while the engine was on. Like there isn't, if you look, there's not a lot of space to work in there, but you can do it. So the biggest thing though was because the space of my washer was less than the aluminum plate of the original intake. For some reason, the two far sides, so on my side, bolts I had to cut short because they went into the case, or they hit the end of the casing threading before tightening the actual flange, the intake down. So it would have stuck there no matter what. And it's probably the reason why they do that is so they can't be swapping intakes and doing your own thing, I imagine. So yeah, I'm gonna throw the carb on here quick. Alright, the blaster carb is on, it's hooked up, there's gas in it. Again, I'm gonna test first start on the carb. Here we go. Get ready to kill it. Okay, this is attempt number 2. It says way too rich earlier.